Yeah, no doubt. Time. Aggressive! You know, bartender. We just ordered ours. And everyone. Yeah. They had like yeah, and then I've never seen it. I've seen it on yeah, right. No, then we just ordered. Keep on moving. Get what they want. You got that, Mark? Yeah. Just practice. Yeah. Yep. Did you bring yeah. The other coach is rapping. I like yeah. I'm away then. Oh, so you're about yeah. Very quick. Okay, boy. No. Yeah, I know. Oh. And then yeah. There you go. One break. Another team. I'm waiting. I don't know if they're going to talk. I would. See a Brad going this way, you have to see a few going this way. Yeah, little chip over the top of the yeah. Just the last foot. Yeah, I know. Real tough. All the way head down running. Like all over. You either get there or we're screwed. Hey, what's that? Back in. Good job, Mark.
Oh,
Good
was
job,
it?
Mark.
There you go, Edwin.
Go, go, go. Go, Peter.
Nice job, Owen.
Good job, Owen.
Good job, Owen. Okay. Get down.
Press up, press up.
That good idea?
Nice. Good, Nico.
I always describe the game as what I felt. It was like I can tell you before two games. It felt like I know it says 6-0.
That's 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one.
At Rockford. Oh, yeah. For any other
Yeah, a few of yellow cards on.
Owen,
Going.
Come on, boys. Good D, Colton. Come on, Colton. Stand him up. Good job, Nolan.
Good.
Oh, got it.
There you go, Elijah.
There you go.
Nice.
Well done.
Nice.
Oh.
On the ground.
Hey, good work, Red.
Go, Peter. Go with them, guys.
Go get up with her. You know that's 50 pounds on people.
Yeah, well done, Mark.
Nice.
Good try, Kyle. Run.
Good work together, boys.
Yeah, boy.
Good position. Right there. And beans. Very nice. That's it.
Good job, Nolan.
Well, usually given the they would
Like, not looking at 2 weeks, like, not this way, just can never happen. Then for 2 years. Yeah, I mean, here you go, Brody.
yeah, we had
Oh, watch your hands.
oh my. Oh! Nice move, Sati! I think Arnold was like,
That's like the killer crosser where you miss the layup. Like, everyone else is like, what did you do that?
I think it was Dennis.
Yeah.
well, he has his moments. Keep going, Hudson.
Good man.
Break down.
We're more of a We're more of a I don't see them standing.
Yes.
Nice, Elijah.
There you go, Elijah.
Elijah, nice.
Right.
Good job, Elijah.
Yeah.
You going?
Communicate.
Good head, wins up.
Go, Peter. Oh, good idea, Peter. Stay in front of him. There we go. There.
Hey, well done, good D.
Clear. Release it. Yeah, there we go. Good ball. Good job, Mark. Go to it, Ed. What's up? What's up? Yeah, they were already. Someone's gonna close out. It was a foul. Andrew. Oh, there, Liam. Good job, Liam. Good job, Liam. Right in front, Andrew. Like karate kid, our guy. Then they like grab each other. Oh! To the ground. There's no. I think so. Yes, not feel like that. I like. But there's somebody. Who's a little fight? Our ball. One guy. William. Nice, thanks. Go, Edwin. Come on. Oh, take it. Play deep, play deep. Hey, there you go. Quick, quiet. Quick. Up. Good, Nico. Never went in. Watch the long bomb. Watch the long bomb. Have one. Oh. There it is. Let's go. Keep shooting. Shooting. Just like you were trying to dribble the ball and use the ball. That's what I was like. Yeah, we have no stuff. Hit it again. Oh, right Owen. Good pass, Tobin. Again, go forward. All right, here we go. Pressure. Good ball. Go, Liam. Keep going. Press. Do Anthony. Liam, get on it. Come on. Go, Tony. Good job, Miguel. Good job, Miguel. More talk, Luke. Too much.
Were you running for goal?
Yeah. Awesome. There, try. Come on, guys. Move, Brett. You're holding. Okay. Get there, TJ. Good pressure. Yeah, really. You have a chance. Go, Edwin. Come on, Liam, get in there. Be circle. Oh, he's on.
Right.
Yeah, I thought.
Nice.
What's with Anthony?
Good
job, Owen. Good job, Owen.
That's better. Take it up.
Go, go, go. On your back, on your back.
There you go.
Very good.
Hey.
Good job, Liam.
Hey,
Follow it
good
up.
idea, Liam.
Go get it. Go get it.
Come on, Sam, get up there.
Come on, JJ. Good,
Move,
Tony.
10.
Get in front of him. Get in front of him.
Yeah, just keep forcing him
Ashley, call
outside.
for it. That's his left foot. His thumb.
Oh, well done. Good job.
Come on, Liam.
Yeah, Liam, that's
Good ball.
one. There you go, there you go.
Good hustle, lad one.
Come on, Sam, where are you, Sam?
Come on, JJ.
You know sub rules, sir?
I'm pretty sure 3 periods or
No, it's
3
an RL
times.
game. Once you're out, you can't come back.
Yeah.
You just came back in. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you came out. You came. Yeah. Come on, Red. Let's go, Red.
Oh, nice. That one. Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice try, Red.
Good job. Bro. 59. Either one.
What if we ran
It'll be an educational experience.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, now.
Good job, Edwin.
Good job. Good job.
Don't play within the back, 45.
On Miguel. Go, Edwin. Get
Good
with
job,
him.
Edwin.
Go, Tony.
Go, Nolan.
Oh, nice. Oh.
Gotta get back now.
Good
Good job,
Emmett.
Emmett. Good job, Emmett. Ball, good ball. Good ball, Watson.
Okay, 3 minutes.
About 10.
There you go, there you go.
Lose the ball immediately.
There we go. Good hit, Santi.
How would he do that? Yeah, great. He's competing.
Colton, hold the ball longer. You got time.
Yeah.
Julian.
Yeah. They were making like yeah.
Yeah.
3 points in, it's not that good.
Yeah, right.
Go.
Go, Liam, go, Liam.
Come on, Liam.
Goes through his back, that's a foul.
Oh.
Good ball, Nico. Push on. Handball. Handball. Good try, Nico. Good job, Tony.
Good job, Tony.
He's really in his bag today, don't worry about it.
By the second kid, I'm just kind of like,
Right. It's breathable. It's breathable, yeah.
this is Darwinism.
And more, actually. Yeah.
One where he's
My team loves it. Not me. I'm poor up there. It's not like get the bag off your head, go down again. It's like, don't take my dressing bag. It's like, yeah.
release him. Top boys. Get a recover now.
Now we get back.
Nice.
Nice, Emmett. 3 center backs. Number one. It's crazy.
Good job, Mark. Go, Tobin. Nice. Good, Edwin. Come on. Oh, nice. Ben, Elijah. Good idea. That's hard. Let's go, boys. 72. A little bit, yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That's the dream. Yeah, but I'm like late stage stuff now. You can't move very fast. We have a national defense. There's a file. Like other dads, like you go to white. No, I called you. No. It's your fault. Pressure. Nice throw. Go. You got it, Colt. You got it.
Get Peter!
Pressure.
Go, Elijah. Run.
Peter! Get Peter!
Oh.
There you go, Elijah.
Let go.
Oh, sorry, no net.
Go. Step slowly. Yep, there we go. Oh! Was that a stud team up there? What do we got?
0-0.
I mean, hey, Platinum is a great result. Yeah, they get a point.
Need a little more than a point.
Hey? They need to take anything they can help.
Oh.
Or he would be.
One of them. Brody.
Alright. The corner. That's atrocious.
What are you playing? What are you playing?
GTA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peter was training.
Eventually, it's still fantasy, right? No, exactly.
There it is! Nice, Andrew!
Are you doing?
Go, Brody, go, Brody, go, go, go! Let you go, go, go!
The wheels start spinning.
Go, 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 Nico, that's you, go get it!
Yeah, one coming hard.
Go, on you! Go, Nico! Go for it, Weston, let him know you're there!
He's holding street.
Nice, Dave. Oh, good run! Hey, Colton, turn your back on them, protect her.
Another foul. Right in front of you. They get every call? What are we doing? Are you watching? There are two teams playing. Cross. We'll give them a free ticket, right? Take it to the corner. Don't let them have a choice. Tobin, go get the ball. Go get it.
There you go, man. Cover.
Oh, good. I don't see any red coming. Push it back, Tobin. Go get a header.
Oh boy.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, Tony.
Nice job, Tony.
Body in front there. Nice, Tobin. Great ball. Oh my. Oh. Don't stop, Brad. Don't stop.
Keep going, Brad.
Good step up. Good step up.
There you go, Brad.
Third minute. Give it a whack. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, JJ. Yeah, come on, JJ. Get on him, JJ.
Pressure, Flu. Pressure. Keep pulling him, Liam. Keep pulling him.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on, JJ.
Go, compete.
Come on, JJ.
Keep competing, Brad. Let's go.
Get him. Get on him. Get him.
Okay.
I heard that. The red kid got fouled on the field. Oh, I need middle. He's down. Yeah, he had a small hole. No, he was saying mine. Oh.
Yeah, it should be off.
Add one.
Come on.
Keep the intensity up, Lou.
Brothers, D up, guys. D up.
Remember, hustle. Get on him.
Come on, Sam.
Get back. Keep going. Go, Jackson.
You hope so.
Yeah, 55, JJ.
Yeah, the tie, the one tie.
Yeah.
Got gloves on.
No, he's kind of.
Direct.
Come on, JJ. Get up there. 55. Only if you get boots on.
Man, that would be a massive tweet.
Go to a 10.
Hey, Ben, good luck. Be physical, Ken. Take him right side of the ball.
West Ham scored. What if I drop around for 150? I gotta do
Sixth time.
They leave the house at 1:30.
Get under it, get under it.
Come on, JJ.
There you go, Liam.
All right, Miguel. Work, Miguel.
There we go.
Come on. Oh.
Take away the next passes. Let's
Go, 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 go. Get back.
Offside. All you, Andrew, all you.
Yeah, Tony.
There we go.
You're doing great. Your defenders are not doing you any favors. Like, yeah, let's take a long.
Like that Henry.
No, that'll do it.
Go, JJ.
Keep going. There you go, Mark.
Come on, JJ. Get on him.
There you go, JJ.
Speed.
Get back, Sam. Let's go.
Speed.
Good work, Mark. Okay. Take it, Kyle. Julian, it's Julian.
There you go.
Body.
Get up there. Come on, JJ. Go.
Hold on, JJ.
Take it, Tobin. Stop waiting for the
Go fuck
ball.
outside.
Julian. Julian, Julian. Oh, yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Drop it. Go, 10, go, 10.
We're ready, G.
Go,
Go.
go.
JJ, go, go, go. Get on him.
And on.
There you go, Edwin. Well done. All right, now we're up, and we're up.
Where you guys? Let's go.
Hold on, hold on.
Take it, buddy.
There you go, good step.
Come on, JJ.
Up the line, up the line.
Good job, boys.
Go, Magic.
Nice try, nice try.
Come on.
Go, Kyle, go!
Take away the passes now. Take away the passes.
Come on, JJ. Now.
Good, Nico. Good, Nico. There you go there. Good job, Adam. There you go, Mark. One time you get to hold it. Yeah, I know. Keepers out. Oh. Nope.
This is generative fireball.
Yeah.
Then you're sparring.
I don't know. Go to.
Right, JJ.
One game.